Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy and rich strawberry ice cream. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. Wash the strawberries and pat them dry. Then cut off the green part and cut them into slices. Then add them into a medium bowl and add in the sugar and lemon juice and mix them together until they're well combined. Then cover it in plastic wrap and place them into the fridge for at least an hour until the strawberries are macerated. To make the ice cream base, in a large saucepan, add in the heavy cream and whole milk and place it onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until it just starts to boil, watching it carefully to make sure it doesn't boil over. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, add in the eggs and sugar and whisk them for 2 minutes until they become really light and thick. Once the milk mixture just starts to boil, remove it from the heat. Add a small amount of it into the egg and sugar mixture and whisk to combine. Then gradually add in the rest while whisking constantly. Then pour the mixture back into the saucepan and place it onto the stove over medium heat. Stir it constantly until it thickens slightly. Don't heat it too long or you'll end up with scrambled egg ice cream, which you definitely don't want. It should be thick enough to coat the back of the spoon or spatula, so keep lifting it up to see how thick it is. If the mixture just runs off the spatula, keep heating it. Then once it's thick enough to coat the back of the spoon or spatula, take it off the heat and pour it through a fine sieve into a medium bowl just to get rid of any small bits of eggs that may have scrambled. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in to combine. Then to cool it down quickly, place it into a larger bowl filled with ice water and chill the mixture until it's cold, which will take about 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally so it's cooling evenly. Once the mixture is cold, you can take it out of the ice water. Then remove the macerated strawberries from the fridge and mash them up using whatever tool you have. Don't make them into a smooth puree. There should still be chunks of strawberries. Then pour them into the ice cream base and mix them in until they're combined. Then pour the mixture into an ice cream machine and churn it until it's thick and frozen, which usually takes 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video showing different ways to make it without one, and I'll link to it in the description box. You won't end up with a really soft and smooth ice cream without the ice cream machine, but it is a way to make it if you don't have one. Once it's thick and frozen, pour it into an airtight container, working quickly before the ice cream melts. And place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Then once it's frozen solid, you can just scoop it up and serve it. And that's how to make creamy and rich strawberry ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.